Hello from Seoul? Yes, there are a lot of great noodle dishes in the world. But if it takes so much time and effort, it can be the best in the home cooking world, right? But don't worry about it. With me, you will have the best stir-fried noodles in under 15 minutes. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. When I say a noodle dish that's made with gochujang, you may think of bibimbap, Korean spicy cold noodles. But today, let's make something different, something warm and full of umami. What? Sounds too complicated? Don't worry about it. All you need is just gochujang that's sitting in the back of your fridge and 15 minutes. For this, you will need some green onions, garlic, beef, baby bok choy, and noodles. That's it. And for noodles, I'm gonna be using this kind of frozen noodles. You wanna know why? Really? Because I have tons of these in my freezer. And that means you could also use any types of noodles you have, like udon, knife cut noodles, or even pasta. Trust me, our superhero, Gochujang, will take care of everything. So just use what you have. That's the best. Alright, let's prep the vegetables. First, thinly slice some green onions and separate the whites and greens. I know I always say this, but this bad boy really adds a ton of flavor, so the more, the better. So let's say our motto together: more green onion, more delicious. Next, garlic. Smash 10 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. What? You think it's too much? Don't worry about it. I'm 100% sure every single Korean will be satisfied. What? You're happy too? Then ask your grandma if you have some Korean ancestors in your family. I think you do. Anyways, by any chance, if you wanna use pork instead of beef, then grate a small knob of ginger, about 2 teaspoons. Trust me, that will take it to the next level. Now take 2 baby bok choy and cut them in half or quarters lengthwise. Actually, baby bok choy is not often used for toppings in Korean cuisine. But what the heck? It makes every dish look beautiful, and that's what matters, right? So I'll stick with this bad boy. Now let's make the seasoning paste. In a small container, add 2 tablespoons of Korean chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of Korean soybean paste, 2 tablespoons of Korean chili paste, and give it a good stir. But here, if you think it's too spicy for you, then reduce the chili pepper flakes or just leave it out. Don't worry about it, still gonna be good. Alright, we're set. Let's get cooking. In a wok, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it's heated, add 250 grams of ground beef and saute for about 2 minutes. Here, make sure you break up the beef and render out the fat from the beef. Once it's no longer pink, add the garlic, white parts of the green onions, and stir them around for about 2 minutes. Trust me, this beautiful aromatic oil is our secret weapon in this recipe. Once they smell real nice, reduce the heat to low, add our seasoning paste, and give it a good stir for about 2 more minutes. For information, this frying process really enhances the flavor of Korean paste like gochujang or doenjang. It literally makes it 10 times better, so try to use this technique in many recipes. Then something magical will happen to you. But be careful not to burn it. If it burns, you have to throw it away. So even though it's on a low heat, if you think it's about to burn, just turn the heat off and let it cook with a residual heat. And that's my tip. Alright, once your kitchen is filled with the amazing aroma and you get this beautiful chili oil here and there, set it aside and let's move on to the noodles. Fill your pot with enough water and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, add your noodles for 2 servings and cook them a little less than the package instructions. Again, any kind of noodles works great in this recipe, so just use what you have. That's the best. When the noodles are cooked, drain and rinse them under cold water. Now we're just gonna blanch our baby bok choy in the same water. 1 minute will be enough. So if you want to get a beautiful dish at the end, do not cook it too long. Now let's get back to our sauce. Add half a cup of water that we cooked the noodles and bring it to a boil over high heat. Once it comes to a boil, all you need to do is add your cooked noodles and give it a good stir for about 1 minute. That's it. Of course, you could just pour some sauce over the noodles. But as you know, pasta tastes better when it's tossed in the sauce, right? Same with this bad boy. So if it's your first try, please follow my lead. You won't regret it. Alright, when the noodles are completely coated, let's put some noodles on a serving plate and garnish it with some baby bok choy, green onions, and a little bit of toasted sesame seeds. That's it. Your beautiful gochujang garlic noodles are done. But if you could add some soft boiled egg on top, trust me, it'll become more beautiful and satisfying. Don't get me wrong, it's not because I don't want to hear bring some egg from my hangry bird at home. Alright, it's really done. Let's go to our taste tester.
Claire?
Looks beautiful. I've never tried it, so I can't even guess what it tastes like. So I think I need to save my words. Let's give it a try.
얼핏 봤을 때는 색깔이랑 그 생김새가 단단면이랑 볼로네이즈 스파게티 있지? 그 사이 어딘가 있는 것 같아. 근데 냄새는 확실히 달라. 근데 뭔가 떡볶이 같기도 해. 이건 그냥 먹어봐야 확인을 할 수 있다.
Let's see.
중간중간에 고기가 아주 예뻐 보여. 스파게티면 쓴 것 같아. Alright, cheers! 맛이 복합적이네. 다양한 맛이야. 일단 확실한 건 볼로네이즈보다는 확실히 강력하게 맵다. 킥이 있다. 그리고 중간중간에 마늘 향이 되게 향긋하게 촥촥 많이 나는 것 같아. 단단면이랑은 완전히 맛은 달라. 맛은 한국 맛이 맞아. 약간 장칼국수 예전에 만들었었잖아. 그 장칼국수에서 국물을 싹 빼고 훨씬 진하게 볶음면으로 만든 것 같은 그런 스타일? If you love 장칼국수, gochujang noodle soup, you're gonna love it so much. It's more intense and more flavorful. 뚝딱뚝딱 15분 안에 만들었다고 치기엔 맛이 좀 고급지네. 고추장의 힘인가? To cleanse my mouth, I'm gonna try this bok choy, baby bok choy. 좀 매콤해. 매콤해서 이거 좀 먹어줘야 돼, 중간중간에. 난 이 아삭아삭하게 씹히는 이 소리가 힐링되는 느낌이야. 너무 만족스럽지 않아? Satisfying, so satisfying. 그냥 이 소스 자체가 너무 맛있어가지고 만약에 집에 면도 없다 그러면 밥 넣고 참기름 좀 넣어가지고 볶음밥으로 만들면 그것도 기가 막히게 맛있을 것 같아. 고추장 볶음밥이지 뭐. That's gonna be like gochujang fried rice. You're gonna love it so much. Just try in many ways. Everything will work great. Great! I'm not drunk.
Today, I showed you how to make gochujang garlic noodles. How was it? It's really quick and easy, right? So if your gochujang looks lonely in the back of your fridge, go run to your kitchen and just invest 15 minutes on this. If you do, I'm pretty sure you're gonna meet one of the best stir-fried noodles that you ever had. I guarantee it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.